Alright, so here again we have basically the same thing. We have the laser on the wall, except I'm not holding it in my hand this time. This time it's being held in this little thing right here that holds the laser. So from the laser, it goes into this little thing, which when I rotate it, if you look over here at the wall, when I rotate it, it moves the laser in a circle as I'm rotating it, as you can kind of see here. So rotate it and it moves in the background. So from there it goes, it's off this mirror, and after it hits that mirror, the laser goes over to our car mirror, now hooked up. We took the camera off, and then it goes to the wall. So as you can see, it goes from laser through the prism, mirror, to the mirror, and then to the wall. The camera is set up over here now, so it's on a little stand right there, and so basically you can see what's happening here. Now I can just shine the I'll just keep the camera fixed at the wall, because you'll be able to see it there. So now basically what I'm going to do here is I'm going to so it's set up a little differently. Instead of the camera rotating, it's the mirror that's correcting for it. So as I move the laser around, the mirror is going to move it back to center, just as the camera did. So I'm gonna set up the tripod. Alright, so I'm gonna rotate it down, let it go, and the mirror moves it back. Or rotate it up here, mirror moves it back. I can also use this mirror right here. So like if I want to make it go right, I can do that, and it'll move it back left like that. Or move it left and then it'll move it right. Again, I'm using this to rotate it. So like that. So that's basically it. That's what I've been working on this semester, so hope you guys enjoy that. If you want to see the car mirror move, I'll try and see if we can get a good shot of that. So let me turn it over here. So if you look closely, you can see it. You can see it move. If you look at the mirror, the top and bottom, the reflections of the that thing with the circles, you can kind of see those things move. So you can see how the mirror is moving. So yeah, that's basically it. So yeah. So I'm just going to kind of show you the program that we're using here. Basically what we have here is, as you can see up here, we look at an original position of our laser. So the computer basically sees this is the first frame, so that's what we're looking for. Now as we move over to this side, this is the live feed of the lasers, just like as you saw with the camera. So if I move it, you can see it, move like that. So the movement of this frame over here basically looks the same when we had the camera hooked up to it. The laser moves around, then the screen moves it back to center. But now it's the mirror doing it. So and then what we have up here is this is the shifted position. So as you can see, it says 626, 501. Those are the X and Y coordinates. From our original position, we had 616 and 492. Now, there is a difference, and that difference is this number over here. The difference is about 10 and 10. There's a difference, and whenever the computer finds a difference, it's going to move the laser back to as close as it can get. However, if you see here these numbers that are flashing right here, that's it's always detecting the difference. So because we have a car mirror, it's not too precise, and it always detects a difference. We have to allow it to stay. We can't get it perfectly in the center, so it's going to be off, but it's only going to be off. These are measured in pixels. These numbers right here, so it's 10 pixels. So it's still pretty close. I mean, it's not like way off or whatever. So it still moves it back to the center. But that's basically what the computer program does. It calculates that difference, and when it's in this case, if that difference is greater than 20, then it moves it back. So right now it's only 10. So it's not doing anything right now. But if you see it go up to 20, and you'll see these lights over here. You'll see these lights over here flash too. So let me just kind of show you. When it goes above 20, those lights will come on, as you can see there. Now the camera, the mirror's moving it back. When it's in position, those things will turn off, and now we're within 15 pixels or something. So it's good enough. And yeah, that's it.